Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the eligibility criteria for applying for a Bank of Singapore's credit card. If you wish to go ahead and apply for the Bank of Singapore's credit card and you want to know the eligibility criteria, then here's down below you could see a list of details. So first thing, to be eligible for a Bank of Singapore credit card, you must meet the following criteria, that is, be at least 21 years old and be a resident of Singapore, a permanent resident or a foreigner working and residing in Singapore. After that, you need to have a minimum annual income of about $30,000 for Singaporeans and permanent resident or $60,000 for foreigners. Now have a stable source of income to pay your credit card obligations. Now you may also need to submit official documents such as your latest income tax notice and payslip. Some credit card may also require a specific minimum number of the years of good credit history. So with this, you'll be able to check the eligibility criteria for Bank of Singapore. That's all for this video. I hope your video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.